Hey, what's up, guys? This is gonna be a pack opening. I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, peace out. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, this pack has Messi on it, so hopefully I get someone good. I'm probably gonna get shit. Alright, load. Come on, get me something good. Give me something good to eat. And shit. Actually, Castro root is not that bad, so yeah, I didn't get that bad. This one has Messi on it again, so hopefully I get something good. Come on, give me something good to eat. I probably got about maybe like 6-7 more packs. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Whoa, who is that? Who is that? Ooh, okay. Let's see how much he sells for. This one doesn't have Messi on it, but hopefully it still gives me someone good, right? Okay. Come on, give me something good to eat. Who is that? Cahill? Alright, not bad, I guess. Alright, this one does not have Messi on it, but, you know. I don't know what that means, but alright, hopefully we get something good in this. Come on, give me something good to eat. Who was that? Martins? Alright, let's see how much he's worth. This one has an Asian guy on it, so yeah. Pretty sure he's Asian. Come on, give me something good to eat. Nothing too good. Alright, so this guy has another Asian guy. I believe he's Asian. I don't know. So yeah. Come on. Give me something good to eat. Okay. Oh my god, we got Juan! I'm just kidding. Alright, here we go. This guy has got me some okay stuff, so. Opened one 15k pack and really got crap. So I'm just gonna stick with the 7.5k. Come on, give me something good to eat. too, we got an Italian manager, which my whole team is pretty much Italians. But yeah, we'll be back with the next pack. Alright, we're down to our few last packs. I think I can open 2 more after this one. I'm thinking, yeah, 2 more. Maybe 3 more. Ooh, who is that? Her name's? Alright, let's see how much he's worth. Alright, here we go. I think we can buy 1 more 7.5k pack after this, and 1 5k pack, maybe. Yeah. So I can open 1 more 7.5k, and then 1 more, and then a 5k pack. So yeah, guys. Nothing too good in that one. This is our last 7.5k pack, so let's make it good, and then we can buy a 5k pack after this. Come on, come on, come on. Ooh, who's that? Bigovic. Okay, so we'll see how much he's worth. Alright, here's our last pack. It is a 5k pack, so let's not expect anything too delicious. We'll just get like Inform and all that. I'm just kidding. And yeah, expected. But yeah, guys, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want more, can we get about 5 likes? So yeah, guys, peace out.